Good morning. Good morning. Fine. So can you tell me what was the last point? Just tell me what was the last point. Hmm. What was that last point? Hmm. Tell me. Questions? Okay, we were solving questions. All right. Just give me a second. Example number 9. All right. So, sir, we solved example number 9. Okay. We solved it or we have to solve it? Huh? We solved it. Hmm. Fine. Now the next interesting question in this chapter, question number 10. Let's deal with it. Everyone, write down along with me. Question number 10. Huh. What is that? What is the work done by electrostatic field? Okay. Work done by electrostatic field means work done by the field means W internal. When we put the four charges together as shown in the figure. Okay. When we put four charges together as shown in the figure, each side of the square has a length equal to small a, and the figure is a square. Each side of the square has length equal to small a. Each side of the square has length equal to small a. And there are four charges, plus q minus q plus q minus q. Okay, here we have plus q minus q plus q minus q. Initially charges were at infinity. Initially charges were at infinity. Initially charges were at infinity. Okay, initially charges were at infinity. Now work done to assemble this system, that we have to find out. But the work done that we find out is the work done by the external force to bring the first charge, to bring the second charge, to bring the third charge, to bring the fourth charge, that we find. Okay, but what is asked? Work done by external force is not asked. Work done by the electrostatic field is asked. Means here the work is done by the internal force. Okay, full form of ELS, electrostatics. EL stands for electro, S stands for static. Work done by electrostatic field. Okay, we are going to use this short form, okay, for time being. Fine, this is not the official short form, but we are using it so that we can reduce our efforts, right? Okay, work done by the electrostatic field, that's what we want to find out. Okay, let's go with the fundamental. Work done by the external force on the system is equal to change in kinetic energy of the system plus change in potential energy of the system. Yes sir. Now we know that we are going to bring these charges from infinity to given point without acceleration. Without acceleration means no change in velocity. These particles are going to be rest at this point, and initially also they were at rest. Okay, this is a kind of hypothetical situation, but try to understand it that we are not going to change kinetic energy. Here we are dealing only with the potential energies. Okay, interaction energies we are dealing with. Okay, fine sir. So what here we have to do is this. whatever this work done by the external force is there, that is entirely going to be change in potential energy. Yes sir, that is entirely going to be change in potential energy. Okay. Oh, what I read, what I wrote is delta W. It was wrong. It should be delta U. Huh. So this is going to be the work done by the external force. Okay. This is the work done by the external force. But work done by the external force, external force is actually doing the work against the internal interactive forces or internal interaction forces. Okay. So external force and the internal interaction forces, they are doing work against each other. Okay. So from that, of course, this K should be equal to 0, and from that what we have to write is this. Try to understand. Okay, fine. If you understand this, here onwards there will not be any mistake in the sign. You are not asked work done to bring all these particles from infinity to given point. That work done is basically change in potential energy. Change in potential is not asked. Negative of change in potential energy is asked. What is asked? Work done by internal is asked. Okay. Okay, sir. Fine. So work done by the internal force or work done by the electrostatic field, is equal to minus of delta U. Delta U means final minus initial. But initially charges were at infinity, and finally they are on the corners of the square. Okay. So this minus sign as it is. Finally they are on the corners of the square. Okay. Let us call this as first charge, this as second, this as third, and this as fourth. Now let's say initially no charge is present in this system. We bring the first charge from infinity to given point. How much is the work? Sir, it will not interact with anyone. It is alone coming from infinity to given point. It is alone coming from infinity to given point. It is not going to interact with anyone. That is equal to simply 0. So no need to write that. Now first charge is in the system. Now second charge will be brought in the system from infinity to given point. What is the interaction energy? K Q1 Q2 upon R12. Okay. So the second charge has been brought in the field of first. K Q1 is Q, Q2 is minus Q upon R12. Distance between 1 and 2, it is A, small a, plus this energy we are writing final, plus now first and second charge both have been brought in the system. Now we have to bring the third charge in the system. Okay sir, third charge will be brought in the field of first as well as second. Let us bring the third in the field of first. K Q1 Q3 upon R13. Q1 is Q, Q3 is also Q, Q1 Q3. See how Q is being drawn, how Q is being written. Different letter than A. It should look different than A. K Q1 Q3 upon R13. Now that Pythagoras rule, A root 2A. If this side is A, if this side is A, automatically this side Pythagoras will become root 2A. So that distance K Q1 Q3 upon R13, distance between 1 and 3 is root 2A. Write it directly. Okay sir. Now the third charge has been brought in the field of first. Now let us bring third charge in the field of second. Plus K Q2 Q3 upon R23. Q2 is minus Q, Q3 is Q upon R23. Distance between 2 and 3 is small a. Plus third charge has been brought in the field of second. Now in our system we have 3 charges, 1, 2 and 3. Now we have to bring the 4th charge from infinity to given point. So it will be brought in the field of first, in the field of second, in the field of third. It means it will interact with first, it will interact with second, it will interact with third. So 4th charge interacting with 1, that interaction energy K Q1 Q4 upon R14. Q1 is Q, Q4 is minus Q upon R14. Distance between 1 and 4 is A. So 4 has been brought in the field of first, plus 4 in the field of second. K Q2 Q4, Q2 Q4 is minus Q, Q2 Q4 upon R24, R24. This side A, this side A, that Pythagoras root 2A. Plus 4th brought in the field of third, K Q3 Q4 upon R14. Q3 is plus Q, Q4 is minus Q upon R34. Okay, now it is quite obvious that K into Q square upon A, K into Q square upon A, everywhere that K into Q square upon A is present. Right now what we wrote? Right now we wrote about U final. Right now we wrote about U final. Let us put a huge bracket like this. This is U final. This minus sign is here. What we wrote is U final. Now this minus sign and U initial. Initially charges were at infinity. So initial energy of the system was 0. Initially system dili aseल. If the initially some system is given to you, take that initial energy. But right now initially all the charges in the system were at infinity. So that energy you can automatically take it as 0 or directly take it as 0. Now let us complete this bracket. So what is the name of the shape of this bracket? This is called as random shape bracket. Asudel. Fine. Next. Sir, what can be taken as common? Common काय घेऊ? What we can take common? Sir, final answer is equal to this minus sign. Sir, K into Q square upon A can be taken as common. Let's do that. K into Q square upon A common in the bracket. Plus 1 minus 1 minus 1 plus 1 upon root 2 plus 1 upon root 2 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 minus 1 sorry plus 1 minus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 upon root 2 minus 1 upon root 2 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 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 4 plus 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2 cancel. What is the final answer? Answer is, sir, plus minus plus 4 plus minus sorry minus minus plus K into Q square upon A. Write it down, reply in the chat box, clear and written. Have I done any mistake? Their answer, our answer is different. Why it is so? Why it is so? Can anyone point out the mistake? Can anyone point out the mistake? Their answer is K into Q square upon A into bracket 4 minus root 2 upon A. 4 minus root 2 upon A. What they have written? I think त्यांनी सकाळी चहा नाही पिला. त्यांनी युनिटलेस मधून युनिट असणारी क्वांटिटी सबट्रॅक्ट केली आहे, म्हणजे त्यांनी सकाळी नक्कीच चहा नाही पिला. काय केलंय? तर सॉल्व तर त्यांनी करून दिलेलं नाहीये, डायरेक्टली आन्सर लिहिले. एक स्टेप केली आहे मध्ये, one step they have did, but the final answer, their answer, our answer, they have written something like this. Their answer is this: 1/4 pi epsilon 0 q square upon a into bracket 4 minus root 2 upon a. A la unit hai, A has some unit, 4 is unitless. This is actually the unit of energy. This will actually give you the unit of energy. And that's the final answer. Yes, negative of delta U they have found out. That is perfect. Negative of delta U is nothing but the work done by the internal forces. That is perfectly fine. Negative of delta U they have found out, or W internal they have found out. That is perfect. This can be written as 1/4 pi epsilon 0 can be written as K into Q square upon A into bracket 4 minus, what is this root 2 upon A? What is this root 2 upon A doing here? 1 by root is not going to cancel. Okay, Prasad is saying 1 by root is not going to cancel. Fine. Okay, you guys tell me whether I have did it right or wrong. Minus, plus, it's going to get cancelled. It's not getting cancelled here. Cancel होते का? See, the arrangement of charges is this: plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus. Okay, you people tell me, you are also doing calculation along with me. Your answer, my answer, same or different? Prasad is saying in the second last, both Q are positive. Second last, both Q are positive. Second last means this. Oh, yes, 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 yes. Fourth charge brought in the field of first, fourth charge brought in the field of second, fourth charge brought in the field of third. This is fourth charge brought in the field of first, that distance A. Perfect, very good. Fourth charge brought in the field of second, Q2, Q4, minus Q, minus Q. Minus Q, minus Q. Fine. Okay. So this plus 1 by root 2, minus minus will become plus, second last step. Minus minus plus. So 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2, 2 by root 2. 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2, 2 by root 2. So that will become what? So now we cannot take this minus sign common here. We can multiply that inside. Yes, this minus inside will become plus, then minus 2 upon root 2 will become minus, but still this upon A should not be there. They have written this upon A, that should not be there. So this is definitely not the answer. This will be the answer. K into Q square upon A into bracket 4 minus root. Reply me in the chat box, clear and written. Reply me in the chat box, clear and written. This is going to be work done by the electrostatic field, means the internal work done by the internal force, CW. Got it? Where we made the mistake? Here. Prasad pointed out it correctly. Very good. Done. Next. Question number 11. Let's do it. Question number 11. Or let's rub all these things and then do the question number 11. Anyone wants to ask any doubt? All okay? Reply me clear, everyone. Small c. Yes, very good. All right. So now I am moving on to the next question, guys. Let's do it. Question number 11. Let's see. You are going to enjoy this. It looks complex, but fundamentally it is very simple. Hmm? Yes, sir. Huh. Question number 11. Let us solve question number 11. Question number 11. Two negative charges, each of magnitude small q, are situated at 2r distance apart. Two negative charges, each of magnitude small q. So let us write minus q as the first charge, minus q as the second charge, distance between them as 2r. A positive charge, small q, is lying at the center between them. The positive charge, small q, is lying at the center between them. Okay, what is that? What is that distance? That will be smaller then. This is total distance to r. This much will be r. Next, the potential energy of the system is U1. Potential energy of the system is U1. Fine. This is a 3-point charge system. Okay, 3-point charge system. If the two nearest charges are mutually interchanged, if two nearest point charges are mutually interchanged, these are the two nearest point charges, or these two, any of these two. Let us mutually interchange. Now this plus q will come here. This minus q will come here. This minus q will be here. Distances will still remain the same, but only the charge interchange has happened. Okay, fine. If the two nearest charges are mutually interchanged, then the potential energy becomes U2. This system has potential energy U2. What is U1 upon U2? Do it fast without my help. Find out U1, 3-point charges. 1, 2, 3. 3-point charges, 1, 2, 3. Find out U2. You know how to find out potential energy of 3-point charge system. Initially, assume no one is present. Bring the first charge. Now bring the second charge in the field of first. Now bring the third charge in the field of first and second. That's it. Find out U1, find out U2. Give me the final answer. 1 minute time. Should not be a big deal. Huh? Do it. Done. Answer. Okay, Ansh. Good. Everyone. Do it on your own without the help of book. Hmm. Hmm. Done. Good. Everyone, reply me. Answer. What is the ratio? Hmm? What is the ratio? Good. Everyone shall reply. Everyone shall reply. Calculate it. Let me see the chat box. Good. Everyone. Aditi Prasad. Good. Next. Others. बाकीचे कुठे आहेत? नाश्ता करायला गेले का? आहेत ना? हा? मधनच नाश्ता करायला जायचं नाही. लेक्चर चालू असताना नाश्ता करायचा नाही. क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करा. आन्सर सांगा. गुड सिद्धी. एव्हरीवन कॅल्क्युलेट इट. करा किती कॅल्क्युलेट. येऊ देत, सगळ्यांचे आन्सर येऊ देत. हा. आदित्य गुड. आन्सर्स करेक्ट देत आहेत तुमचे. करा कॅल्क्युलेट करा. लक्षात येईल किती वेळ लागतो जेव्हा स्वतः करता तेव्हा. सर करतात तेव्हा काय ऍज इट इज उतरून घ्यायचं असते. तसं नाही करायचं. समजून घ्यायचं. स्वतः करायचा प्रयत्न करायचा. फाइन. चलो. Let us calculate U1. To bring the first charge in the system, no need of work. It will come alone from infinity to given point. Yes. Now we will bring second charge in the field of first. K Q1 Q2 upon R12. Q1 is minus Q. Q2 is Q upon R12. R12 distance between 1 and 2 is small r. Plus first and second have been brought in the system. Now let us bring third charge in the system. Q3 in the field of the first. K Q1 is minus Q. Q2 is Q3 is again minus Q. Q1 Q3 upon R13. R13 is 2R. So third charge has been brought in the field of first, plus third charge is to be brought in the field of second. So K Q2 is Q. Q3 is minus Q. Q2 Q3 upon R23. R23 is again R. Distance between 2 and 3 is R. Fine. Sir, K into Q square upon R common. K into Q square upon R common into the bracket plus 1 minus 1 upon 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 upon 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 1 upon 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 2 plus half minus 3 by 2. So minus 3 by 2 into K into Q square upon R. Minus 3 by 2 into K into Q square upon R. U2, total interaction energy of this system, U2 is equal to potential energy of this system is equal to interaction energy of this system, potential energy of this system, U2 is equal to bring the first charge, no need of work. To bring the second charge, Q1 Q2 upon R12. K Q1 is Q, Q2 is minus Q upon R12. R12 is small r. Plus 2 has been brought in the field of first. Bring the third charge in the field of first. तिसऱ्याला पहिल्याच्या field मध्ये आला. K into Q1 Q3 upon R13. Q1 is Q, Q3 is minus Q upon R13. R13 is 2R plus, bring the third charge in the field of second, K, Q2, Q3 upon R23. Q2 is minus Q, Q3 is minus Q, R23 is R. Sir, K into Q square upon R, K into Q square upon R, K into Q square upon R. That could be taken as common. Sir, if that could be taken as common, why to write this much entire step? We could have directly taken this K into Q square upon R common. Now instead of Q plus Q, take plus 1. Instead of minus Q, take minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 upon 1. Minus 1 upon 2. Plus 1 minus 1 upon 1. Because K into Q square upon R, you can immediately take common. आधीच कॉमन काढा. आधीच कॉमन काढल्यानंतर हे सगळं instead of taking Q, take plus Q. Instead of taking minus Q, take minus 1. Q घ्यायच्या ऐवजी plus 1 घ्या. Minus Q घ्यायच्या ऐवजी minus 1 घ्या. Instead of taking Q, take plus 1. Instead of taking minus Q, take minus 1. For R, take 1. For 2R, take 2. Okay, so that could be the direct calculation, and I want you to do that just like this. K into Q square upon R plus 1 minus 1 upon 1 plus 1 minus 1 upon 2 minus 1 minus 1 upon 1, because everything else is common. Minus 1 upon 1. Sir, plus 1 minus 1 cancel. This minus half into this. This K is a small k. Capital K is different. Capital K means epsilon R, relative permeability, or capital K means dielectric constant. This is small k. Small k means 1 upon 4 pi epsilon. 1 upon 4 pi epsilon or 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0. If there is medium, epsilon. If there is not medium, vacuum, epsilon 0. Small k. K into Q square upon R into bracket. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel. Minus half. Oh, I made a mistake. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel. This minus half outside. The minus has been already taken out. Just give me a second. Minus K into Q square upon 2R. This is U2. Call this as equation 2. Call this as equation 1. This is 3 by 2 and this is 1 by 2. So 3 by 2 upon 1 by 2 will become 3. That's it. Not a big deal. Okay. So be ready to solve such questions in this chapter. Okay. Initial configuration, internal energy will be given. Initial configuration will be given. Final configuration will be given. Find out the potential energies and then find out the ratio. So such kind of questions. Physics मध्ये एक स्टेज बाळांनो अशी येते की certain type of question, ratio questions, proportionality questions, they get a common questions. Okay, they get a common and trivial questions. Okay, फक्त एक नवीन concept add झाली, finding potential energy of the system. Learn that new concept and the types of question again same. So 2 and everything else is cancel. The answer becomes equal to 3 or 3 by 1. Okay, fine. Now let us move on to the next question. That is question number 12. Before that, everyone reply me in the chat box. Is this question clear to all of you? CW. We are going to solve the next question. And do it on your own. Okay. While writing along with me, write with understanding. Write with understanding. Okay. Okay, sir. Next, question number 12. If electric potential energy of the given system is positive, then prove that 2Q is more than 3Q. Given, if electric potential energy of given system, given that electric potential energy of the system is positive, if electric potential energy of the given system is positive, then prove that then prove that 2q is more than 3 small q. 2q is more than 3 small q. What is the given system? A triangle, capital Q, small a, small a, small a, small a, small a, small a, capital Q, 2 times capital Q, and minus Q, and minus Q. Okay, do it, everyone, do it. Try to solve it on your own. 1 minute time given to you. Steps should be quite obvious. Find out U of the system, and that U of the system is positive, means U of the system is greater than 0. That's it. You will get this sign. Less than, greater than, ultimately you have to bring in the equation. So first find out energy of the system and write that energy is